If your elbow feels like it's being stabbed every time you lift weights, stop what you're doing. I fixed this world natural bodybuilding champion's tennis elbow pain instantly using these 3 exercises. But it was this one banded drill that was a true game changer for his recovery. Let me show you how to do it. This is tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis, and it's exactly what my patient Sam had been dealing with for 6 months. He couldn't even lateral raise 25 pounds because the pain was so bad. Even trying to make a fist and test his grip strength elicited a ton of pain. Now, a good rehab program for tennis elbow will often include slow eccentric strengthening of the forearm extensor muscles and often some shoulder stability work to fix the global movement issues that's often concentrating pain down here in the first place. But what most people miss is the elbow joint sometimes just needs to move better. For that, we use exercises like a mobilization with movement that can help fix a positional fault at the elbow joint. Here's how you perform it. You're gonna take a thick monster band and place it just below the crease of your elbow. So don't have it up too high, just underneath the crease. From here, tension is key in order to get the benefits of this exercise. So with no tension on the band, if you make a fist palm down towards the ground, it should elicit that lateral elbow, tennis elbow pain. However, if we then get a lot of tension on that band, take your arm, pull close to your body, and then now squeeze your fist with enough tension that should eliminate pain. That shows that you have enough of a lateral joint glide that it changes the elbow mechanics and can significantly change tennis elbow pain. If there is still pain, we're just going to get more of a lateral joint glide by moving further away from the band attachment and then making that fist again. If the band is in the right position with enough tension, for most people with tennis elbow pain, this completely eliminates symptoms. Now, once out here, there are 3 techniques you can try for this lateral elbow mobilization. Step 1 is the most simple. You're just going to make fists 10 to 20 in a row. Squeeze as hard as you can and relax. Squeeze as hard as you can and relax. Again, we're sustaining that pressure the whole time by using our free arm. The second exercise you can do is making a fist and then twisting your wrist. So we're going to make a fist and then we're going to rotate the hand up, rotate the hand back down, just like that. Relax, make a fist, rotate the hand, relax. You can sustain the joint glide the whole time, or you can reset each time, whichever one works best for you. And the third way, and this is especially helpful for people that have this lateral elbow pain during bicep drills, is we get the pressure, we make a fist, and then we do a bicep curl up, down, open the hand. Make a fist, bicep curl up, down, open the hand, just like that. Directly after performing these 3 exercises, his grip strength skyrocketed, his pain vanished, and he was able to do his 25-pound lateral raises completely pain-free. Within 3 days, his pain had completely gone away, and he was back to training full-time. Now, if you're dealing with pain on the inside of your elbow, called golfer's elbow, be sure to check out this video. And if you're dealing with any other aches and pains and you want to see my methods to fix these injuries, check out my injury fix book, Rebuilding Milo, on Amazon.com. See you next time.